Right, hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Colin guys from Goa and India, and today I'm going to be showing you the D minor chord in my series of chords in the key of F major, right? But before that, I just want to tell you something interesting and unbelievable and really majestic that happened yesterday. Was that one of my followers, Flossie Fernandez, came all the way from Margao in Goa, in the north, south of Goa, for a gig that I was playing at down the road in Panjim, and it was really an honor to see somebody who's come up there, who watches my videos, who came to meet me in person, and that was really unreal, so that was basically reality, because like I do my videos, I'm talking to you over the camera, on the camera. I just don't know who you guys are, but then somebody who comes over there and meets up with me, like, made my day. Fantastic. Thanks Flossie again for coming over there, and hope you enjoy these next videos that I'm going to be putting out over here. Right, the D minor chord now. So simple thing, I'll just show you very quickly and very effectively. Okay guys, so first finger is going to be on your first string of the, your third finger is going to be on the third string, second finger, sorry, and your third finger is going to be on the second string over here on the third fret. Hope you've got this. So we're going to be strumming now. Let's strum together. 1 2 3 4 and strum. Right, now to practice this chord, we're going to be strumming it for a couple of times. Now we can do this in 4 counts. We'll do it for 2 bars, right? So those of you who don't know what 2 bars is, and you're coming here for the first time, you're a total beginner. 2 bars is basically 4 counts. You play first, you got to be playing another 4 counts. So 4 counts is 1 bar. So we are basically playing 4 counts, right? Like this. Let's do it all together. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 and stop. Right, so we've done 2 bars of that. Now what I recommend is that you can play this many times. Keep on playing this. You can stop, play 2 bars, stop, play 2 bars, stop, and do that many times as possible, so you get a grasp of this D minor chord. Right, okay, coming now to all the chords that we have done so far, I'll just tell you, we started off with the F major chord. We went on to the G minor chord, which was a real toughie. But if you guys have been practicing it for the last, I think, a month or so, a month maybe, you should be able to play the G minor chord comfortably now. Right? The next one was B flat, also a tough one, yeah, for the placing of the strings, but keep on practicing this, guys. And the easy ones were the C major chord, the C7 chord by placing your 4th finger on the 3rd string, your A major chord, A7 chord, or the A dominant 7, okay, and today was the D minor chord. Now there's another chord that we can also put in over here, and it's just going to be forming part of the song, which is not part of the key of the song, but then it's going to be forming a part of the song that I'm going to be showing you, is the G major chord. Now the G major chord, if you can see it, is similar to the F major. So what you have to do is that if you play the F major chord, all you have to do is shift it over here to the 3rd fret. It becomes the G major chord. Simple, right? Now the rhythm for this song is going to be like this. I'll show it to you first, and then we'll go to learn it. Okay, so 1 2, it's very simple. 3 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Right, very simple rhythm. So basically what I'm playing is that I'm playing down first on the bottom strings over here, the first 3 strings, and then I'm playing a little on top over here on bass strings. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So what I'm also doing is that I'm putting more emphasis on the first beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm playing softer on the second one, right? So let's try and practice this now together. 1 2 on the counts, 3 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Right, so we haven't done over there. The next thing I want to show you is how to change the chords playing this rhythm, right? So basically, if you've been watching my videos, you change it on the counts. So the counts are very, very important. Yeah. So what we can do is that we can start with the F basic chord, and we'll try to change the chords after 2 bars. Okay, on the count of 1. So we finish 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then we change the chord, next chord on the first count, right? For example, and I'll go through all the chords over here. So while you're watching this, you'll be able to understand it. So 1 2 3. We start with the same chords: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G minor and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 C7 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 A7 1 and 2 and 3 and D minor. Today's chord 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F 2 and 3 and 4. Slide it to G 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Okay, now this is going to be your practice pattern, right? It's going to be your practice exercise for the next couple of days till I do the next video, and when I get the time actually, because like I'm doing these gigs, I'm doing classes, guitar classes over here in Mapsa, and this time restraints, so please bear with me, but I'll try to do the video by Friday or Saturday, and that would complete the whole video series, you know. So it's been, guys, an exciting thing, exciting journey about doing these videos, because like that's my first video song series, and I hope you have been following them and enjoying them as well, and you're learning from them, you know, because there's nothing better than playing the guitar with all these chords that you're learning for the first time, and a bit of rhythm also. Like, it's not a simple rhythm, it is a simple rhythm, but you have to play the simple rhythm on time, and that's a challenge for you as a beginner, right? So you learn. So the most important thing is that you're changing the chords, and you've learned a couple of chords. You've learned around what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 chords. So I think as a beginner to learn 9 chords in the first month is pretty steep, and it's really a full advantage for you as a guitar player, right? So you can play your first song in the first month. This is amazing. Okay, so for the last time, the rhythm, and 1, we'll start it on D minor. 1 2 3 4. We'll start D minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and let's go to B flat. 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to F. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to C and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 and 3. Go C C7. 1 2 and 3 and 4. A 1 and 2 and 3. A7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. G minor. 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to F. 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Okay, now the reason I've changed the order of the chords is because, like, when you're learning these chords, you gotta know quickly how to change them when someone's telling you the different chords, right? So this is normally how I would say, like, try to learn these chords by heart, learn them to perfection, and learn them so that you can change them immediately. Okay, so I think so we've covered most of the whole video series, and the only thing that's remaining is the song for the next time. Okay, so learn your chords, learn all the chords that I've shown you, so that you are prepared, you're prepared for the next video, and we will be able to play the song like a breeze. Okay, so thanks again, guys, for watching my video, and hope to see you for the next one. Do subscribe again, hit the like button, send me a comment if you've been enjoying these videos, and peace and love here from Goa. Bye bye and see you.